Magandang araw mga ka-ETUlay, ako ang yung tutor Mad. Handa na ba kayo sa kapanapanabik at kabang-abang na ETUlay Summer Camp? Tara na at umpisahan na natin!
Mga guro at magulang, ating pagtulungan, kabataan ay turuan natin. Kahit na nasa tahanan, pag-aaral ay tutukan, oras at kasanayan ay ilaan. Sulong edukalidad, magbago man ang panahon, ipagpatuloy ating layunin, patatagin ang edukasyon. ETUlay ang gabay sa pagkatuto, ETUlay edukasyon itatawid sa iyo. ETUlay paaralan nilalayo sa iyo. ETUlay sa makabagong panahon, ETUlay para sa kabataang Pilipino. Kayo ba'y may katanungan at hindi maunawaan? Kami ang gabay at tulay na magtuturo sa'yo. Sa tulong ng teknolohiya at maging ng social media, paaralan ay kusang lalapit sa'yo. Sulong edukalidad, supuin maling impormasyon, katotohanan nating ituro, paunlarin ang edukasyon. ETUlay ang gabay sa pagkatuto, ETUlay edukasyon itatawid sa iyo. ETUlay paaralan nilalayo sa iyo. ETUlay sa makabagong panahon, ETUlay para sa kabataang Pilipino. ETUlay ang gabay sa pagkatuto, ETUlay edukasyon itatawid sa iyo. ETUlay paaralan nilalayo sa iyo. ETUlay sa makabagong panahon, ETUlay para sa kabataang Pilipino. ETUlay, ETUlay sa kabataang
ETUlay Summer Camp!
ETUlay, ETUlay sa kabataang Pilipino. ETUlay, ETUlay sa kabataang Pilipino.
Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, world. Sa lahat nating mga learners, no, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, welcome again sa ating Robotics and Coding for Better Learning. Ayan, I'm Tutor Robilin. Ayan naman yung partner ko.
Hello, good morning sa inyong lahat. Again, nandito na ulit tayo sa Robotics and Coding. Magandang umaga, kahit na maulan dito sa Bataan, tuloy pa rin ang ating summer camp. Ako nga pala again, si Tutor Paulo.
Yes, ayan Kap, no, nasa third episode na tayo. Oh.
Yes naman.
Ano bang aabangan ng ating mga viewers today?
Sa tingin ko, Tutor Rubilin, ang kaabang-abang ngayon ay yung bisita natin na magpapakitang gilas. Yung 2 linggo, medyo tayo yung nagturo sa kanila, tayo yung gumawa, pero meron tayong bisita ngayon na papakitaan tayo na hindi kailangan college ka na or senior high school ka na para matutunan tong robotics na to. Meron tayong magpapatunay na talagang basta gusto mo, magagawa mo. Yan.
Yes, totoo yan, Kap. So meaning to say, age doesn't matter, no? Hindi lang sa lab, but age doesn't matter din sa ating robotics and coding. As long as willing to learn yung isang tao, bata man, o kahit nga tayo, adults, di ba? Kung gugustuhin natin, yes, matuto tayo.
Yes, kahit walang background pa sa robotics or even in coding or programming yan, as long as nagustuhan kasi natin yung bagay, kusa ito natin parang tututunan dahil palagi natin siyang ginagawa. At ang palagi natin na ginagawa ay nagiging skills na natin, hindi natin namamalayan.
Yun. So, dapat gamitin talaga. Like, kahit nga dito sa ating lesson, di ba, yung EV3 natin na ginagamit na Lego, alam naman natin hindi lahat meron. Pero, ginawa natin ng paraan para interact yung iba, makagawa ng output, at syempre, they can apply it at sila mismo ang mag-explore.
Yes po, tama po kayo dyan. Tama yan, Tutor Rubilin. And also, syempre dahil nasa third week na tayo, bibigyan natin sila ng mas madaling project this time, no? Bibigyan natin sila
Yes.
ng ano ba yung gagawin nila? Parang kung nakaraan, gumawa tayo ng isang program ng traffic light at parang, syempre, parang nabigla yata. It's just start ng coding. Ngayon, ang gagawin lang natin, magtuturo lang tayo ng kung ano ba, paano ba yung nagpa-process yung mga blocks na inilalagay natin dun sa may code na yon, and then gagawa lang sila ng project ulit na ipapakita naman natin kung paano ginawa. Ang importante ulit, paano lang mapapractice para mas maintindihan yung mga blocks, functionality ng mga blocks dun sa ating ginagamit na make code.mindstorm na site. Ayan.
Ayan, no? So, again, yung iba, huwag kayong mag-alala kung wala talaga kayong physical na robot device. So, meron tayong option, di ba? Kaya pinagamit natin yung www.makecode.mindstorm.com. Ayan na. So, ayan. Before that one, batiin muna natin yung mga kasama natin na nandito sa Facebook pages at sa ating YouTube kapatid. Ayan, si Aura Aguilar Abitong, watching from Matina Central, Matina District, Matina Davao City. Ayan, nasa Mindanao. Ayan, ikaw naman.
Ferdy, good morning po. Watching from Sorsogon Province. Wow, iba-iba talaga ang lugar, no?
Yes. Ayan, nandito din si John Rain Santino. Good morning po from Muntinlupa National High School. Ayan, may high school na din tayo na participant.
Yan. Siyempre, nandito din si Heart Eduarte. Good morning po. Watching from Mahada Out, Calamba City. Ayan.
Yes, ayan na, no? So, wag na nating patagalin to, Kap, kasi exciting yung magpapakita sa atin ng kanilang mga output, yung mga ETUlay Campers natin, di ba?
Oo nga eh. Talagang ako nga din mismo sabi ko, gusto ko ma-excite. Talagang yung mga bata na to ay talagang mahuhusay at talagang napakatalentado pagdating sa robotics na even kahit wala silang idea kung paano ginawa pero they have the parang talagang ginusto nila kaya talagang nagawa nila. Ayan.
Yes. Ayan na, so tawagin na natin sila, Kap. Let them join us sa atin, no? Ayan na. Hello, Bea and Marius. Kumusta kayo dyan?
Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Ayan, pakilala ka muna, Marius. Si Marius muna.
Hello, my name is Marius Gibial. I'm from Pasak, Lapu-Lapu City and I study at STEC Elementary Education Center.
Alright. Ikaw naman, Ate Bea.
Hello, good morning. I am Beater Delmar and I am from STEC Science Education Elementary School from grade 6.
Alright. So, anong grade nila, Kap?
I'm
Ayan.
from grade 4.
Si Marius is from grade 4, si Bea is from grade 6. Ayan. Sabi nila. Talagang magkakaiba pa ng grade level.
Yes. O, sino bang gusto mong unahin natin, Tutor Paolo? Ikaw na mamili.
Ayan. Siyempre, dahil lalaki ako, siyempre, na-excite ako siyempre kay Marius. Ayan. So, si Marius, ang gusto ko magpakita ng kanyang nagawa sa ating robotics. Ayan. Sige, Marius, share natin sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong mundo yung iyong natutunan. Ayan.
Yes, tama yon. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, but sa buong mundo. Okay, share mo na yung screen mo, Sir Kuya Marius. Go. Ayan, no? Then mamaya, syempre, si Ate Bea naman. Okay. Go, Marius.
Ayan, imagine habang nag-share si Marius, imagine Tutor Rubilin, no? Grade 4 pa lang siya, alam niya nang mag-share screen, alam niya nang mag-open. Parang, di ba, parang yung iba din, parang nahihirapan sa mga ganyan. Pero dahil napaka-techy na ng mga kids natin ngayon, ay lahat napakadali para sa kanila. Okay?
Yeah. Take it away, Marius. Nakamute ka, Marius.
Alright, so I will show you how to create a 4-motor traffic light. So, first, you have to remove this block called onStart since we're not going to use it, but we're going to use forever. So, you have to go to Logic and then get this one, which is called if true then. Remember, Logic is right here. Next, we have to go to motors and then get run large motor A at 50% and put it under if true then what the blue one. And then repeat, then duplicate that and duplicate that again. And change the second large motor to B and the third one to C and again, and this one to, and then change this one to D. And then add another one, and another one, and one last. Then repeat this one, duplicate that, and there, duplicate again, 4 times, sorry. And then this one is gonna be B, C, and D, just like that. And then duplicate that one. Oh, sorry, no. Then go to motors again and then get this one called stop all motors and put it here. So let's change the percent. So in here, 100, also here, 100. This is the first one, okay? And 100 and 100. So this section is all 100, this one 50, and this one will just stop all. Next, we will go to sensors, and here in color sensors, which is the second sensor, and then pick this one, the diamond shaped one, color sensor detected colors. Then put it here. If you see a diamond shape, put it there. So we will repeat that on the next one. Then another one. And then we're basically done with our default code. Then remove this fourth one. And then let's change the color sensors. So the first one needs to be green. The next one should be yellow. And the last one should be red. So our code is done.
Oh.
Now let's move to our robot. So if you click the green color, all the motors will run. If you click the yellow color, the motors will slow down. If you click the red color, it will stop. Now, let's think. Do you want to add a little spice to your code? Let's put a sound effect. So in here, go to music, and then click, and then select play sound effect, animals, something like that, and then go here to colors.
Blue.
Then the first one needs
Green.
to be green. Now let's check what will happen since we did that. All right.
Green. Green, 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 green.
It says green. So let's repeat that for the second one, which will be
Green, yellow.
yellow. Then the next one, which is
Brown, red.
red. So let's try for the yellow one. Oh dear, lagging. Alright, it's back. Yellow.
Yellow, 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 yellow.
Red.
Red, 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 red.
So that's your code. Thank you for listening.
Wow, ang galing na. Ano masasabi mo doon, Tutor Paulo? Last time, iba yung demonstrate mo, di ba?
Oo, talagang nagkaroon siya ng another way paano niya gagawin yung traffic light at inimprove niya pa, no? So talagang nagkaroon pa siya ng spice on the traffic robotics, traffic light robotics control. No, talagang napakagaling, amazing. Very good, Marius. Congratulations.
Marius, pakita mo nga yung code din. Pwede mo i-click yung yung JavaScript. Ayan, yung JavaScript din. So, kasi may iba mahilig sa JavaScript at Tutor Paulo, di ba?
Yes, yung mga mahihilig sa mga codes talaga na literal, normally they use the English word to code. You can use the JavaScript actually. So, meron din diyan kasama din if ever yung mga college diyan, meron din Python for Mindstorm. Ayan.
Yes. Ayan, no? At with that, sa ginawa mo, Marius, sabi nila, congratulations, Marius. Ang galing mo.
Ang daming nagko-congrats sa'yo, Marius. Talaga namang great job. Yung assignment natin, talagang pinerform mo at in-improve mo ba?
Yes. And with that, ang galing mo daw, Marius. Alright. Siyempre, Tutor Paulo, hindi pa huhuli si Bea, di ba?
Yan.
Alright. Ayan na. Tingnan natin. Alright. Siyempre, balance tayo ngayon. May female power din.
Version naman ni Bea to, no? Version ni Bea.
Oo. Alright. So, take it away, Bea.
Good morning, everyone. I am Beater Dalmar. Today, I'm going to present to you my output on functional traffic lights. Let me show you how it performs. So, if we click the red, if the robot detects the color red is slow, it stops. As you can see here, the motor turns into 0%. If the robot detects the color yellow, it slows down to 25%. If the robot detects the color green, it fasts. It changes it to 100%. Now let me show you how I made it. First, go to Home and click New Project. Loading. Remove the on start since we don't need it. Go to Logic and choose if, true, then, and else. Add 2 more, so it will have 4. Go to Motors and choose the Run Large Motor. Duplicate it to 4. After duplicating, choose the sensors and click this is color sensor that has a diamond shape. Put it in this one. Duplicate it 3 times. Now let's do the coding. In this color blue, change it to color red. And the percentage, we change go to Motors and choose the stop one. Replace the run to stop. Next is the blue one into yellow. Change it to 25%. Next is green and change it to 100%. And now we're done. Red, stop, yellow, it slows down, and green, which means faster. Thank you.
Ayan.
Another version ng ating traffic light, no? Tutor Rubilin, talagang nakaka-amaze. Congratulations, Bea. Sobrang magkaibang diskarte dahil programming on
Yes.
coding ito. Kahit anong klase, basta naiintindihan mo, kung makikinig ka, basta naiintindihan mo yung project na gagawin mo at ginusto mo siya, kahit
Yes.
magkaiba sila ng way, parehas ng result. That's is coding. No? Galing.
Yes, nakikita naman talaga natin 'no, na how they show, talagang na-demonstrate nila. Parang ano, may gusto pa akong, i-demonstrate niyo kasi yung iba kasi Tutor Paula, they don't know how to save their output,
Okay.
'di ba?
Yes, yes.
Puwede niyo bang ipakita, Bea or ikaw Marius, paano ba i-save yung, nagawa mo ng project? Kasi sayang din naman 'di ba, Tutor Paolo, 'pag hindi na-save yung ginawa nila. Sige nga, pa-share ng screen ulit. Kasi nai-excite sila, Tutor Paolo eh.
So, while
Yay!
sharing, yung ginawa nating traffic light na yan, yung motor na umaandar, and then yung color na nakikita natin, in actual robotics, nabubuhay natin. May sensor lang tayo sa harapan.
Yes.
And then, or sa ilalim. Once they see the color at the bottom of the track, no? So, yun yung pinaka magiging traffic light. Pero, normally, umaandar talaga yung robot. So, we just use the simulator without the robot. Pero, kung gagawin mo yan with your EV3 talaga, so, umaandar yon. When they detect the color, they stop. They slow.
Yes. Siyempre, very important yung color sensor natin
Yes.
sa ginawa nating activity.
Yes naman.
Mm.
Yan. Share na ni Marius yata or si Bea ba yung mag-share? Si Marius?
Bea, share your screen. Turuan natin sila kung paano i-save yung ginawa ninyong project. Para naman, when they try to do it on their own, they know how to save it. Pa-share screen ulit, please.
Kung hindi natapos yung project, they can go back para...
Yes, pwede nilang balikan. Or pwede nilang balikan, tapos dagdagan o i-modify.
Yes.
Alright. Sige nga, paano ba siya i-save, Bea?
When we save, press this one and you can rename your code. There's traffic lights and now go to home and then your project is now saved.
Okay, ganun lang pala ka-easy.
Dali lang pala.
Very easy. It's like
Easy.
just clicking and then do stuff on your keyboard, then done.
Wow. Nakakatuwa, Tutor Robili, no? Ang bibilis ng daliri nila. And even the copy with the duplicate. I did not use that during the training.
Yun yung gusto ko sanang sabihin. At the one that we had last meeting, we did not able to show kung pwede siyang i-duplicate o ano pang pwedeng gawin. Pero sila, grabe, yun yung ginawa. At dahil dyan, napakabilis nilang nakumpleto yung program nila.
Within I think within 1 minute and 30 seconds lang, they already done the traffic light program eh. And also na-enjoy ko yung parang hindi ko siya tinuro pero they explore how to do the program na pabilisan. Kasi normally, in a competition sa robotics, hindi ba? Kailangan mabilis ka din magawa.
Yes, yung time element, grabe, napaka-importante nun. Okay.
So
Kasi
again, congratulations talaga sa inyong dalawa. Amazing, amazing.
Baka naman, Tutor Paolo, may gusto kang i-challenge sa kanila. May papagawa ka pa ba sa kanila?
Okay. So this time, kasi nag-color sensor na tayo eh, di ba?
Yes.
Titingnan lang natin, mas madali yung gagawin natin. So, siyempre, dahil yung ginagawa natin program, it's every day na nai-encounter natin, no? So, this time, ang gusto kong gawin naman ng project ng mga nagro-robotics at nanonood sa atin, no? Yung logic ng turn on, turn off,
Oh,
ilaw, di ba? So,
sige
hindi
nga.
ba meron tayong touch sensor?
Yes, meron.
Once
Sige.
you press yung ating touch sensor,
Touch.
anong mangyayari doon sa light natin? Mag-on, di ba?
Yes,
so,
of
it will
course.
show an image na naka-on yung ilaw doon sa ating robot. When you release, siyempre hindi na naka-on yung ating light, magta-turn off yung image na lalabas doon sa ating robotic na simulator, doon sa
Sige. Gusto mo ipa-demonstrate na natin kay Marius, Tutor Paolo?
Marius, kaya ba pakita?
Yeah, share screen ka ulit, Kuya, yung ginawa mo kanina. Bibigyan ka ng instruction ni Tutor Paolo, gagawin mo. Kayang-kaya mo yan, di ba? Oh,
And
see?
maybe we can modify it.
Okay, tingnan muna natin si Marius, ha? Siya na yung...
Siya na yung mag-demonstrate. Habang
At pwedeng
bibigyan ka
tumulong
ng
si Bea,
instruction.
Tutor Rubilin, tama? Pwedeng tumulong
Yes.
si Bea for
Pwede.
Ganun ang coding eh. Parang kailangan talaga merong collaboration.
Yan. Go. Pwede kaya yung ginawa niya kanina, i-improve na lang?
Yes. Pwede.
Open mo na lang, Kuya, yung ginawa mo kanina.
Okay, wait. I'll just save this one maybe for later.
Yes. Ayan. Alright. Ayan na, Tutor Pao.
Yan. So this time ang gagawin kasi natin, hindi ba? Kailangan natin yung on and off. So pag pinrest natin yung sensor, we need the sensor, of course. Kailangan natin yung sensor na, anong tawag natin doon? Touch sensor.
Touch sensor.
So, syempre, dahil kaya diamond yan, o kaya diamond, that's correct, kaya diamond yan, that is a decision. Ang tawag natin doon, we have the flow chart, that is a decision. We decide kung anong gusto natin gawin. And the logic, of course. Anong gagawin natin? Yung logic natin, and if.
If true.
So, kapag na-press niya, di ba?
Oo.
Kapag na-press niya,
yeah.
anong gagawin niya, Marius? It will show an image na
it will show an image that
nasa it's on the brick. Brick
yeah.
Nasa brick. Ay, nasa taas.
Brick.
Yan.
Show image.
Okay. This is
And then make it the bulb na naka-turn on.
Naka-turn on a light or bulb. Ayan.
There we go. Okay.
Ayan. You just try to press the touch sensor. Can you press the touch sensor?
Doon sa simulator kaya.
All right.
Ayan, nag-light na.
Ayan, you just press hold. Do not remove your, ayun, di ba?
Ayan.
When you press, it will show the lights. And then, of course, since the last thing we did, no need to add decision. Tanggalin mo na si decision.
Kunin mo na.
Yung logic na yan. Mag-minus ka na. Siyempre, pag hindi naka-press, just show image yung naka-turn off. Kapag hindi siya naka-press, go to the brick again.
Okay.
Go to the brick. Then show image. And then
Image
make it
lang yung
off.
makikita.
Yan. So, once you play, dapat
Ayan.
naka-on, tapos pag nirelease mo siya, dapat nandun na naka-off yung light, no? So, may if condition, remove mo pa yung isa mong if condition, I think. This one.
Yung sa baba. Yan.
Yan. So, parang else, dapat naka-on lang siya. Parang ganon. Yan.
Oh, okay. It's just
Refresh mo
loading.
muna. Click refresh, Marius. Yung sa
This
baba.
one?
The refresh.
Refresh yung may, then next to that. Ayan.
Ayan. So, the light is off. The robot is running. Parang ganon. The light is off. When you press, the light will turn on.
Yay!
Ang galing ni Marius. And also, Bea.
Bilis.
Hindi ba ang bilis lang? That will be the project na pwede kayong kagaya ni Marius na nagkaroon siya ng spice on the program. Pwede kayong kagaya ni Bea na binago niya yung code pero it's just the same result. No?
Fantastic.
So, yun yung nakakatuwa sa coding tsaka sa robotics.
And with that, Tutor Paulo, yung creativity ng mga bata, yung critical thinking skills nila, kahit yung computational skills nila na i-enhance kasi kailangan alam nila kung ilang percent, kung ano ba ang dapat gawin, di ba?
Yes.
At
Correct. So, pwedeng challenge dyan, if ever, no? Once they press, parang merong magsasalita pa din. Ayan, kagaya ng ginagawa ni Marius. Or pwede din silang gumawa ng program na paano yung mag-a-add ka ng number. Your robot can be a calculator.
Yes, correct. So yung may pwede din tayong gawin dyan para sa ating math activities. Alam mo ba, Tutor Paolo, these days kasi yung mga bata, nahihirapan sila sa math. So, why not utilize this platform para ma-encourage sila na mag-learn ng math habang nag-i-enjoy? Well, having fun, diba?
Sobra yung critical thinking nila na pag ganito na isinama nila sa pag-aaral nila, nagro-robotics, nagmamath, nag-engineering. Sobrang ang bilis. Ang mga bata ngayon talagang sobrang ang gagaling at talagang lalabas na matatalino ang mga bata.
Yes. Kahit yung communication skills nila na di-develop. Kasi nga kanina, we allow them to present their output. Diba? So, na-apply din yung communication skills nila dito.
And by the way, sa mga late na nakatune in sa atin, si Marius is only grade 4 students and Bea is only grade 6 students. No? So, but they create a program and also demonstrate yung project natin ngayon sa robotics. Diba?
Okay. So, hoping sa next nating episode, Tutor Paolo, may mga learners din na makakasama tayo and they will be the one na magpakita naman ng kanilang ginawang robot codes or robot program.
Yes, tama. Ayan.
Alright. Ayan, so with that, Tutor Paolo, we will ask muna some insight or learnings. Pwede mag-shoutout yung mga bisita natin, di ba? Ayan, unahin na natin si Bea. Go, Bea. Baka may gusto kang pasalamatan, ano yung insight or learning mo from this activity. At syempre, kung may gusto kang i-shoutout, this is your moment. Take it away, Bea.
Huge thanks to teacher and tutor Billy and tutor Paolo for making this task more easier. Thank you for guiding us and be patient to us.
Alright. Syempre, si Kuya Marius naman.
I would like to thank you, Tutor Rubilin and Tutor Paolo for helping me begin my passion for robotics. When I first watched this ETUlay thing, I didn't really think it would be something, but until I saw them, oh my God, it was so good. And then I started doing coding in here. Then I got very interested, so it led me here. So I'd like to thank them. Really thank them.
Wow. Siyempre, maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. Dahil mas masarap sa pakiramdam bilang isang tutor kapag natuto ang mga estudyante, di ba? Yun naman ang natin, yung target. So maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa talaga. You did a great job today. Amazing job. Super, duper. Pinatunayan nyo na ang robotics ay hindi para lang sa mga matatanda. Ito ay para sa kahit anong edad. Basta ginusto, kakayanin. Ayan.
Ayan. Yes, kaya nandito tayo kahit bakasyon, 'di ba? Nandito tayo, we continue to learn, we continue to ignite your passion. Syempre through collaboration, we learn from each other, and of course, we need to transform, no, yung kind of education natin. Hindi na siya naka-close lang sa four corners of our classrooms, lalo na ngayon na nasa pandemic tayo. Kahit yan, si Tutor Paulo nasa Bataan yan. Ako nandito sa Cebu. But we connect dahil sa technology, and we should be grateful sa opportunity na ibinigay sa atin. So let's utilize what we are having now para maisulong ang edukalidad ng Pilipinas.
Ayan. So, again, maraming salamat. So, kung meron kayong katanungan, meron tayong mga, I think, 2 minutes pa para i-comment nyo yung tanong nyo, or meron kayong gustong i-shout out na natin yan. Maraming salamat again, Tutor Rubilin, for inviting this sobrang talinong mga batang ito na nakaka-amaze na. I hope every student ay talagang ma-inspire sila sa mga batang katulad nito. So, syempre, meron pa tayong napakasipag, si Alcris, kung maalala.
Yes!
So, isa din siya sa napakasipag na estudyante natin dito sa summer camp.
Of course. Ayan, ang dami nating mga students, no, yung mga campers natin na talagang ginawa ang lahat para maipakita that they support us. Ayan, si Alcris, sabi niya, hello po, Tutor Robilin at Tutor Paulo, andyan lang siya.
Andyan siya. Ayan, so again yung kung kaya nyong i-video record yung project natin ngayong araw na to, all you have to do is just to do the code for the lights on and off, no? If you want to have a spice, no? Sabi nga ni Mama, spice on your phone. All you have to do is just to magaling kayong mag-explore Magaling kayong yung talagang yung mga imagination ng mga bata ay sobrang parang magugulat na lang kami na tutor, ganun pala yun. So, pwede pala, no? So, we as tutor, natututo kami sa mga idea ng mga bata na yan. And then, we share to all.
Yes. So, para sa pa-output natin, Tutor Paulo, para may connectivity yung learning ng ating mga learners, siguro yung like ginawa nila na output last week, tapos dadagdagan nila yung how to turn on and turn off the light.
Yes.
Diba? Parang ganun, pwede din yun. So, anyway, ano naman yan mga innovative naman yan. Depende sa kanila kung ano yung gagawin nilang exploration, modification, or what.
So, ang robot natin ngayon, kaya niya nang sumunod sa traffic light, kaya niyang magpatay ng ilaw sa street lights. Ano? Parang gano'n, di ba?
Oo. Di ba, syempre, Tutor Pao, very important, very significant yung light ng mga vehicles, di ba? Lalo na sa gabi, kung mag-turn right or turn left, kailan ka magpapailaw, di ba? Importante yon. Ayan. So, with that, maraming salamat sa lahat.
Maraming salamat. Again, thank you sa lahat ng nanonood at sa aming bisita kay Tutor Rubilin. Thank you. See you Tuesday again.
Yes, thank you din sa mga parents ng mga bata who allow their kids to be here with us. Ayan, bye. God bless us.
Hi, teachers and learners! Good day, I am Mr. Alvin C., one of the EdTech specialists serving you with happiness. In response to the United Nations Declaration of Paris in 2012 about the open educational resources, the Philippines' basic education is ready to fulfill its promise to make learning accessible and give equal opportunity to every Filipino. This is the birth of the DepEd Commons to bridge the gaps of having adequate available resources with the aid of ICT equipment and infrastructure. The DepEd Commons was a flagship project headed by the Undersecretary for Administration, Alain Del B. Pasqua, and Director 4 of the Information and Communication Technology Service, Abram YC Abanil. DepEd Commons serves as an online education delivery platform of the department where learning resources, online review materials, and open educational resources or OERs made by educators are available, easily accessed, and where resources can be modified without having to reprint when such materials necessitate revisions or improvement. In cooperation with the Department of Information and Communication Technology or DICT, National Telecommunication Commissions or NTC, SMART, PLDT, and Globe, we can use the DepEd Commons for free, even without the data load or credits. It's more convenient to learn and study 24/7 in the comfort of your own home. The interface of the system is simple and yet very direct to immediately show the needed materials, which can be downloaded or viewed via a browser. Continuous enhancement and development were catered to showcase the abrupt needs of the end users. With the demands of technology in education, the DepEd Commons became top 4 as the most trending search in Google in year 2020. Aside from that, DepEd Commons ranked number 1 in the most searched topic under the education category in our country in the same year. The DepEd Commons has a total number of 15,190,182 unique users since it was first launched in March 2020. Today, you will see thousands of learning resources in the system to support the blended learning modalities of the department. In addition, the bright future of DepEd Commons will continuously shine as we embark and empower the public school teachers in creating world-class teaching and learning resources such as electronic books or ebooks, digital magazine and worksheets, interactive online games, self-developed Android applications, instructional and tutorial video contents, and other emerging technology tools. As a support system in the online modalities, the use of learning management system is taking into shape. The DepEd LMS is an e-learning platform initiated by the ICTS to help and support the teaching and learning process in the controlled online environment. It was created to work concertedly with the DepEd Commons. Amongst the advantages of using the DepEd LMS are as follows. First, it is cost-effective. The courseware allows participants to access it in their own free time and reduces travel expenses, accommodation costs, and professional fees. Learning while watching the instructional aided materials enhances the soft skills of participants by doing the hands-on activity as requirement. In addition, a digital certificate with QR security code is automatically rewarded to a participant once a certain course is accomplished and completed. Second, consistency of training. The delivery and mastery of competencies is consistent since it is centralized, well-organized, and easy to navigate. It delivers a learning curve to all students by supplying a single source for content, course materials, and instruction with variation of activities that will enhance the skills of end users. Third, it easily tracks learners' progress and performance. It has the capability to allow DepEd to easily generate and consolidate training reports in all overall perspective. By utilizing the e-learning courses or online trainings, trainers can easily track goals progress, knowledge gains, and determine who have completed the course or who needs assistance and help. The Department of Education internally developed an in-house learning management system, namely the Professional Development LMS or PDLMS, used for professional growth and capacity building for teacher and non-teaching personnel, which is not limited to public school teachers. It is also available to private school teachers and even college or university professors. On the other hand, the DepEd Regional LMS or DLMS is intended exclusively for public school teachers and students within their regions and divisions to support the blended learning modalities in delivering quality instruction. To learn more and have a feel of ease in using this innovative system, kindly visit commons.deped.gov.ph for DepEd Commons, trainings.deped.gov.ph for DepEd PD LMS, and lms.deped.gov.ph for DepEd Regional LMS. We will continue to innovate and transform the Philippine basic education in its target glory. Para sa bata, para sa bayan, para sa guro. Sulong Edukalidad!